Welcome! In front of me I have Vivax Lifefit Hero Kids smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, not like this to open the quick panel. And on the quick panel, you should see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one with the moon on it. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now the Do Not Disturb mode should be enabled. And to disable it, open the quick panel again, tap on Do Not Disturb mode icon again, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. Okay, and that's how you enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.